Hey there, this is Lori Johnson with MobileTax.Pro. I wanted to reach out and tell you about what is going on with the IRS's latest batch of letters that they're sending out. And the one that I have been seeing, that I've been seeing information about the most are Recovery Rebate Credit and the Child Tax Credit. And so the notices they look like this. And in this corner here, it's the CP11 or the CP12. And they'll tell you right on the letter, it'll say, we saw an error on your 2021 Form 1040, which affects the following area of your return. And again, the two ones that I've been seeing is either the Recovery Rebate Credit or the Child Tax Credit or other dependent credit. And so I'm going to tell you exactly what you can look at so you can know what's going on. So first, you can take a look at this letter, and under the billing summary, it will say the payments you made. And the payments you made should equal the amount on your 1040 tax return. That is the total payments amount. On a standard 1040, it's on line 33. And then the taxes you owed is on your tax return. And this is page 2 of your tax return. It is your total tax, or line 24. And so if what they have is less than what you have for your total payments made, that means that you probably owe more or your refund is being lowered. So if you get one of these letters and your Recovery Rebate Credit is the culprit, is what's being miscalculated, then what you want to do is go to the IRS's website. So you just mosey on down to the IRS's website, www.irs.gov, and you scroll down, and the Recovery Rebate Credit is actually referring to the third stimulus payment that you received. And so you want to go scroll down and get to this Get Economic Impact Payment Information. Click on that. And again, it's your third payment. So you want to click on that. And then if you scroll down, really little IRS online account, click on that. That will take you to sign into your online account. Of course, you can, right from the IRS's website, sign into your account. But just to tell you more clearly where that is on here. And when you sign all the way in, I cannot sign all the way in for you, but when you sign all the way in, that information is going to be on this right-hand side of the screen once you're in your account. And if you read down the list of the information on the right-hand side of your screen, it will say economic payment information. Now, if this letter says that it's your child tax credit or other dependent credit, then what you want is the Find Your Child Tax Credit Payment Information. And you want to click on that and then log in, sign into your account. I'm just trying to make this really, really easy for you. Now, when you log in, if you logged in before and you have a username, go ahead and log in with your username. If you have logged in and you created your ID.me account, go ahead and use that. If you have not signed into your irs.gov account before and you need to create a login for it, I will have to tell you that when you go to create an ID.me account, which is your only option now, you can no longer create a username and password. You have to create the new ID.me account. You will want to make sure that you have your ID ready. And you want a device that has a camera, cell phone, laptop with a camera, webcam, because you're going to scan your ID and you are going to put your lovely face in the camera so that they can do facial recognition on you. Yes, the IRS is on their job securing your information. And when you go in and you check your information, what you are looking for is to see if the information that you reported on your tax return matches the information in your online account. So, for example, if you said that you received $2,000 for your third stimulus payment, and the system said that you received $2,400, and the IRS has reduced your refund by $400, you will know that that's simply because you reported $400 less than you actually received. Now, if you are checking your IRS.com amount and the amount that you reported is the same amount that is, if the amount that you reported is the same amount that you're seeing on the IRS.gov account, there is one little pickle that I'm seeing pretty consistently, and that is because it is probably on your spouse's IRS.gov account. That's right, for both of these, your economic impact payment and your advanced child tax credit. If you are married and filing jointly, both of you have to check your IRS.gov account and see the amount that each of you received and reported on your tax return. So that's the problem that I'm seeing. 100% of the people that have contacted me with those letters, it has been because the wrong amount has been reported on your tax return. You could be the first though, so you want to double check and make sure. And if you reported everything that you received, go ahead and for MobileTax.Pro clients, upload your documentation into the client portal. Remember, we always want to be safe and secure with our information. You never want to send your tax information or your personal information through email. That's what the IRS is all up in arms about. You want to secure your data, and then feel free to reach out to me. If you are not a MobileTax.Pro client and you would love to have an engagement with us so that we can help you look at a tax letter and translate that to English, go ahead and contact us at MobileTax.Pro or give us a call at 704-980-0899. All right, later.